Okay, for this video we're going to be installing the Mountains2Metal rear cargo area MOLLE. To do this install, you will need, let's see, an 8mm socket, 10mm, a 13mm deep socket, a 3/16 hex or Allen key, and also a 4mm or Allen key. So let's get this installed. First, what you want to do is remove this trim panel here with a trim removal tool. That is, if you don't already have this bracket here, which contains the rear roll bar MOLLE and the cargo tray here that I already have, so I don't need to remove it. The only thing I believe I need to do is remove these nuts here and then install this bracket here into that position. Okay, I went ahead and removed these nuts here with the 13mm deep wall socket. Remove those there, and next I want to install this plate here. Place it up to where the bolts are here, and go ahead and get these started. I'll go around to the other side. Next, you want to come back here to this panel right here. There's already a pre-drilled set of threads here. I've got the hard top, so I don't have anything else additional here to remove. So the only other thing that I need is this spacer here, this bracket, and then the 4mm hex socket along with this and a washer. So I'll get this washer here, get the spacer placed behind here like this, slide this through, get this started. This here. And just get it semi-tight so you've got some adjustment either which way once you set the MOLLE panels up. Next, you want to come over to this piece here where your tie downs are. Remove this plastic cover here like so, and then using a 10mm socket, go ahead and remove Then once this is removed, set these to the side, and then come up here to the front and remove these as well. Once you have all of those removed, just kind of slide these off to the side like so. And what I did, rather than have to remove the whole bottom trim here, I just grabbed it like this and then slide this bracket here under here and then set it down so the grooves are kind of lined up there. Then you can come back with this piece here and then tighten those down. And then repeat the same process up front. Once you get those brackets put into place, then you can go ahead and install the plastic covers back on each side. Then you can set your MOLLE panels up here like this, and put your bolts in on the bottom first. Kind of get them started. That way you've got a little bit of play and it kind of holds it in tight. And then from there, move into mounting this bracket here, and then the two up top here. Then you just tighten this bolt down here, 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 and then come back over here to this side and swing your bracket over here like this. Get this started. Like so, and then after that, just go around and snug everything up, and you should be good to go. Then once everything is tightened down, there is your finished product. Pretty stable, no rattles or anything like that. So thanks again to Mountains2Metal. This is the full setup.